If you have issues with the hotspot not working properly on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then here's what you can do. So first of all, we're gonna open settings, and in here in connections, you can of course go to mobile hotspot and tethering. And what you need to keep in mind when you're trying to use the hotspot is that whenever the hotspot is enabled, in this case, the Wi-Fi is disabled. So you need to have mobile data on your tablet to be able to share the access to the internet. Now, if you are sure that you actually have mobile data and it works just fine, then another thing that you can do is go to the mobile hotspot settings, and in here we have the band option. So you can tap over here in order to customize the band, and if you actually switched that to 5 gigahertz, you might need to switch back to 2.4 gigahertz, because if you use higher amount of gigahertz, there is a chance that the hotspot will not be compatible with some devices, some older devices especially. So in that case, you can switch to 2.4 gigahertz if you changed that before, in order to see if that makes any difference. And of course, remember to press save over here. Besides that, when you enable the mobile hotspot, let me turn off the Wi-Fi, there we go, then you can also generate the QR code. So this can be a little bit more helpful than, or more convenient than, looking for the Wi-Fi and entering the password. So you can of course go to the QR code to generate the QR code, and then on the other device, if possible, you can scan the Wi-Fi QR code, and perhaps this will be the best way to connect to your hotspot. And that is pretty much everything that we can do in order to try to solve our issues with mobile hotspot. If you can actually connect to the hotspot but you don't have access to the internet, then just make sure that the mobile data or cellular data is actually working just fine on your Galaxy Tab A11. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.